Hello everyone. In this video I will talk a bit about my buggy project. I'm fairly pleased with the first version and I have learned a lot when working on it. I'm now working on a second version which will feature design changes and overall improvements to it. My goal for the old version was all about simplicity combined with durability, but this second version will be more oriented towards performance. I simply want to see how good I can make it with what I have available. I will reuse the body as much as possible and only change what I have to for everything else to fit. The entire rear end will be remade to what I think is called a dual A-arm suspension or something like that. This adds some complexity but should greatly improve the handling when cornering and just generally racing around. One important thing is that it will allow the tire to stay straight throughout the suspension travel, hopefully maximizing tire contact with the ground. And also by changing the length of the upper link you can also affect the dynamic camber to tweak your handling. A bonus of this new straight wheel path is that I can now use a longer suspension travel, which will help with bumps. I will also replace the motor with a more powerful brushless one, but the old motor should still fit and work with the second version of the buggy to make sure it's a tiny bit backwards compatible. The frame will be reinforced to minimize lengthwise flex and widened to fill out the body more. This should also give me more space for the components, so I can hopefully squeeze in the battery into a better position of the body. I've also done some tweaks to the front end to allow for more suspension travel and improve the ground clearance, as I found that the old version easily got stuck. Another design change is that all the shocks will be changed to 70mm ones, as they take up a lot less room and should still be up for the task, I hope. Purchased tires will be used to make it easier for everyone to acquire, and they should also provide better grip than the NinjaFlex tires. All the bolts on the bottom side of the frame will be changed to countersunk ones. This should make a much smoother bottom, which minimizes the risk of it getting caught on debris. The first version had regular bolt heads because I tried to keep down the different kinds of screws you would need to acquire, but it causes too much problems with getting caught on stuff, so countersunk it is. There's still a lot of design left to do on this, but I want to let you know it's being worked on and it should be greater than ever once it's done. Thank you for watching and have a great day.